Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Fluent Lessons. My name is Jessica, and I am really happy you are here again. In this podcast, I will speak slowly. I will use simple words, and I will repeat ideas so you can understand everything. My goal is to help you practice listening and speaking at the same time. Today's topic is something many English learners ask. How can I think in English? How can I stop translating from my own language? Maybe you have this problem too. That is okay. Many people do. It is normal. Our brain wants to use our first language, but here is the good news. Thinking in English is a skill. You can learn it. You can practice it, and today I will show you how. Let us talk about why this is important. Many learners feel slow when they speak English. Why? Because they translate every sentence in their mind. This makes speaking slow and difficult. You may know many words. You may know grammar, but if you translate every sentence, it is hard to speak fast. It is hard to speak fluently in real life. People talk fast. They do not wait for you to translate. If you are always translating, you will be too slow. Also, translation is not always correct. Some languages have different word order. For example, maybe in your language the adjective comes after the noun, but in English, it comes before. So if you translate word by word, the sentence may sound strange. Sometimes it is wrong. So the goal is simple. Think in English, not in your own language. When you do this, you will speak faster. You will sound more natural. And today, I will give you practical tips so you can do this too. Now let us talk about why we translate and why this is normal. When you start learning a new language, you use your first language. That is okay. Your first language is like a bridge. It helps you walk into English. But after some time, you want to remove the bridge. For example, you want to look at a chair and just think chair. Not the word in your own language. Many learners tell me, Jessica, I know words. I know grammar, but when I speak, I freeze. And I tell them that is because your brain is still translating. So let us get practical. Here are 5 simple ways to start thinking in English. You can use them every single day. First, describe what you see. Look around you. Say what you see in your mind in English. When you walk outside, think, I am walking to the shop. I see a tree. There is a red car. The weather is cold. When you are in your kitchen, think, I am making tea. I am opening the fridge. I am cooking rice. You can do this anytime. You can do this when you are alone. If you do not know a word, that is okay. Look it up. Write it down. Next time, your brain will remember. This is how you build your English brain, step by step. Second, think about your plans. In the morning, think about your day in English. Today, I will study English. I will go to work at 9. I will meet my friend in the evening. At night, think about your day. I went to the gym. I watched a movie. I cooked dinner. It was chicken and rice. You do not need to write it. You do not need to say it out loud. Just think in English. Third, use visual thinking. When you see something, do not translate. You see a chair. Think chair, you see a phone. Think phone, no translation. Just English, do this every day. Soon it will be automatic. Fourth, do shadowing. Listen to a native speaker, a podcast, a video, audio like this. Repeat immediately. Copy the voice. The speed, the rhythm. The feeling, no pause. No translation. At first, it is difficult. That is normal, but keep going. Your brain will learn to understand and speak English faster. 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough. Finally, use English during simple daily actions. When you are walking, think, the sun is shining. The wind is cold. When you are cooking, think, I am washing the rice. I am adding salt. The food smells good. When you are cleaning, think, I am sweeping the floor. I am folding the clothes. These are perfect moments to think in English. Now let us put everything together. Here is your simple daily plan. In the morning, think about your day in English. During the day, describe what you see. Listen to English and do shadowing. At night, review your day in English. Do this every day. After 1 week, you will feel better. After 1 month, your brain will start using English automatically. At first, maybe only a small part of your thinking is in English. That is okay. If you keep practicing, it will grow. One day, you will notice something exciting. You are thinking in English without trying. Thinking in English is a skill. You can build it. Be patient with yourself. Make mistakes and keep going. Thank you for being here. Keep thinking in English. Keep practicing and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now. Bye for now.